Are you good?
It's that Wahl joint. That Wally.
Hey, man. I was just about to say that. Wally. All right, guys, check it out. I just picked up.
Oh, shit, that's that Wally.
You need to make a bloopers one like this, man.
I put him in there sometimes. Sometimes I'll put Jeremy, he's walking by looking at the camera, and I'll zoom into his face. All right, well, check it out. We got the new cordless gold magic clip. Check it out. Y'all see your boy just picked up the new cordless magic clip, the gold edition. So I've heard good things about it, but then I've also heard that it's basically just like the senior, just in a magic clip body. So we're gonna put this thing to use today, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. But first, let's go ahead and open this up. Y'all can see what comes inside the box. Check it out.
Well, he had already made it. I don't see why. I don't know. If you don't, he ain't good that way, man.
Check it out.
They started.
Here is the hardware. I was expecting it to be a little heavier, but I forget it is a magic clip. Magic clips are supposed to be lighter, but I just expected it to be heavier because it's gold. But we're gonna put this thing to use today. Y'all see we got that fade blade on there.
Yeah, see now it's like fucking man.
Looks nice.
Put it in a good word for you.
And then it comes with a charging cord. I wonder if it comes with a stand. They said the new Wahl stuff comes with stands, so let's see. We also get a box right here, so let's see what's in here. So we get the Wahl premium guards. We get some oil and a cleaning brush.
And so then they run back and we'll go to us.
We get that Wahl comb.
Yeah, I didn't even call him back. He's like, I'll call you back and let you
And then let's see what's in this box right here.
You know, and it was
So it does come with a charging dock. I think that's pretty tight. Check it out. So yeah, we're gonna put this thing to work today. We're gonna see what it does. Let's go. I just bought it. Why would I throw it? I'll sell it to you for $100 right now. And then, hey, it looks nice. It's supposed to actually be coming out with the Wahl detailers, gold and black like this also. Just so you know, I just got these clippers, so I gotta. But you can say what you want. It'll make for good content.
Well, it's just like my dad had a waffle business, and like you're like there's only one person that's allowed a certain area, right? So.
But I guess you're gonna get the connect. I guess.
Yeah, you get all the connects there.
Yeah. But for me, you have to go with this dude, be somebody in that shit.
Oh, okay. What was it? Tired of it or what? I don't know. He said he's gonna retire. Well, I don't know if he said he was tired or he's gonna retire. Yeah, one of the two. If I don't do nothing, I'm a ball.
Damn it, Tito. Another one? Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Alright guys, so check it out. Once again, here is the new cordless Wahl Magic Clip, the gold edition. Check that out. I purchased it because I heard it had a stronger motor in it. So I wanted to give this thing a go, you know what I'm saying? I haven't used the actual Magic Clip probably in about 2 years. The last Magic Clip that I used was the all metal edition, the one that looked like the 1919s. I used that one a while back. It was pretty good, you know what I'm saying? But once again, like I said guys, I purchased this one because I heard it had a better motor and it's supposed to cut better. Now, I know a lot of people like the Magic Clips for whatever reason. I'm not exactly sure why, because honestly, I was never a big fan of the Magic Clips, but for whatever reason, a lot of people like them. So I figured I'd get me one and then give y'all my opinion on it. Now, let's go ahead and look at the box. Y'all know how the Wahl products come, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice box, you know what I'm saying? Nice box. It does come with the premium guards. However, I did not use the premium guards when I was using this clipper. I was actually using my Babyless guards. Those were just the ones on my station, the ones I like to use. So I was using the Babyless guards on it, but nonetheless, I still put it to use for about 3 to 4 days or so, you know what I'm saying? So like I was saying, it comes with the premium guards, crunch blade technology. You can hear it crunch while you're cutting. We got the blade adjustment level on there. No clicks, but you know, we got the floating lever on there. You can cut with it corded or cordless, but I don't see why anybody would want to cut with it corded. And it says up to 100 minutes runtime. Now, this may be my fault, but I haven't been able to see how long it really ran because check it out. So as soon as I turn this thing on, it starts blinking. And I think that's my fault because I turned it on without fully charging it. You know what I'm saying? When I first unboxed it, as y'all saw earlier in the video, I turned it on without fully charging it. So that may be my fault, but I did place it on the charging dock when I wasn't using it. So I let it stay charged up, you know what I'm saying, throughout the day. So I haven't been able to test to see how long it actually lasts. And once again, guys, that's my fault. But nonetheless, besides that, I do want to say that this clipper is actually impressed me, you know what I'm saying? And once again, guys, like I said, not a big fan of the magic clips. However, I did like this clipper. I do like the blade that comes on it. I am a fan of fade blades. Never really been a big fan of taper blades, so I like that they put a fade blade on here. Nice gold finish to it, you know what I'm saying? And I know in one of my previous videos, I said we were getting tired of the gold on clippers. But I don't know, man, that black and gold, it just looks good on this clipper, you know what I'm saying? And I think it's because I'm so used to seeing it in that maroon and black. So when it came out in this color, I said, you know what, I'm going to have to grab me one and put it to use. And once again, guys, I'm actually impressed with it. As y'all saw some of the clips, me using it, it does cut really good. Bald's good, debulks good. Fade's good. And I was noticing that it did have, you know, the stagger tooth blade that the most magic clips have. But I'm still trying to figure out what's the use of the stagger tooth blade. And, you know, for me, you know what I'm saying? I don't really understand what the, you know, what's the perks of it and what's the pros and what's the cons of it. But that doesn't sway me anyway towards this clipper. Now, let's just talk about me using it. It worked good. Like I said earlier, guys, debolt good. It did fade good. I do like, you know, the little thumb indentation right here. I like the grooves on the back. Really reminded me a lot of the Rebel that I had been using earlier on in the year. Really similar to the Rebel. It's not as loud. Let me turn this thing on for y'all. So it does have a hum to it. Just not super, super loud. And I think if they would have put this clipper in a metal case instead of plastic, it'd be quieter. But nonetheless, still works good, still cuts good. I did not get to use clipper over comb when using this clipper, but I did do everything else with it. I faded with it, tapered with it, debulked with it, balded with it. And once again, I gotta say that I'm pretty impressed with it. Now, do I think a lot of people need to go out and buy it? Now that depends. If you already have a Wahl Senior, I would say this thing isn't needed. If you already have another clipper that is really good for debulking and cutting down hair, I wouldn't say that this is a clipper that you need to go buy. Now, is it a good clipper? Of course. You can purchase any of these new clippers and 9 times out of 10, they're gonna work good. And this one did work good. The only thing that I had issue with was the light coming on due to me not charging it all the way when I first opened it, when I first got it out the box. Now, the clipper does come with a charging dock. Really like that. It comes with the cord you can plug into it. It's got a little hanging hook in case you do want to hang the clipper. And the weight of the clipper is not too heavy, not too light either. I want to say that it feels a little heavier to me than the older magic clips. Not sure if it is. I don't have an older magic clip to test it out, but it is slightly heavier in my opinion. And I just like the way it works. Now, will I keep this in my rotation? Who knows? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, your boys always put in new clippers to the test. So as of right now, if you don't have a good, reliable clipper, I would say this is a pretty good op to go to. But if you are leaning more towards a quieter clipper, this one may not be the one for you. Because once again, guys, it is slightly louder than like the Wahl Senior. As y'all can hear, it does sound a little louder, but not too loud. But it does get the job done. So that's basically all I got to say about this clipper in this video, guys. I know it's not like a full, long review. I just wanted to give y'all my opinion on it. But you don't have to listen to my opinion. You can listen to it, you cannot listen to it. It's all up to you. But I just wanted to give y'all a quick review on this clipper. And I think it's a pretty good clipper. You know what I'm saying? It gets the job done. It does what it needs to do. So yeah, you know, it's going to work if you purchase it. But with that being said, guys, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.